Hey guys, it is the 16th of December and we have a little cisa 30 millimeter. There's a vise and the key and the keyway. So let's see if we can get this on the tree as well. It is a little crusty, but it works. So see if we can open it. I don't think we can use top of the keyway, so we have to go to the bottom here. Just like Abus, these cisas, especially 40 millimeter and up, but also these 30 millimeters, they can be unpredictable. You never know if it's going to be a nice easy pick or a not too hard but pretty fun pick, or if it's gonna be hard. Typically it will relatively quickly show which one, but yeah, not always. Do I have a small tensioner? I don't have much space there. And perhaps a smaller pick. We'll see if that does any difference. Well, I feel more feedback, so I guess it does. Okay, that wasn't the pick. That's at least good. Come on. It isn't bent. That's actually surprising. Yeah, there we go. Pin 2. Sorry. We have a key, so we put that back in. All right, get that on the tree. Whee! That was log number 16. And we have some pretty cool stuff, to be honest, if you ask me anyway. So yeah, so far so good. Yep. All right. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.